difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 7:30 now and I have to go to bed by 8:30, 8:45 so that I can wake up early in the morning. So I think it's perfect time to do my nighttime skincare routine and eat food and brush my teeth. So without further delay, let's get right into the video and I'll take you through my nighttime skincare routine. The skincare products I'll be using in this video are from Teach Hanley. I accidentally ripped off the logo, so sorry about that. I really love how Teach Hanley works and it's my favorite skincare brand. Not lying about that. And if you want to try out Teach Hanley, there's a link down in the description with my coupon code. You can get 10% off. Okay, so definitely give Teach Hanley a try if you want some alpha skin. Okay, without further delay, I'll start off by washing my skin. Take a small, this much is good. Don't want to be using too much, but don't take too less that is not even going to wash your face. So it's not going to cleanse your face. I'll just come a bit close because I can't see anything in the small mirror. This camera. I think I put too less. Oh, it's perfect. That's all I need. I'll just take a little bit. This much. The good thing about this face wash is it doesn't give that unhealthy white color foamy effect. It just does a job, cleanses my face. Now that I'm done with washing my face, I would usually go to scrub my face using an exfoliator and then apply a face mask. But you only need to scrub your face 2 times a week and use a face mask 1 time a week. I already used a face mask yesterday and I exfoliated my skin day before yesterday. And I usually did not scrub and exfoliate my skin at night. I always do it in the morning. But just in case you forget to exfoliate and use a face mask in the morning and it's been a while you haven't done that, then you can do it at night. But for now, I'm going to directly move on into moisturizing. So, use the PM Moisturizing Cream by Teach Hanley. It's a beauty. Just take a little bit. Yup, this much. And apply. I'll need to come a bit close because I can't see anything. It's tiny camera screen. Yep. Usually before applying moisturizers, I apply the super serum. But tonight I'm not applying it. I already applied it in the morning, so tonight I'm not going to apply this thing. I'm directly going to move on to eye cream, which is the last product I'm going to use for this skincare routine, nighttime skincare routine. So it's just 3 products, it's quite minimalistic. And by the way, at night, you don't need to do much of a skincare routine. Some people have a huge skincare routine, but sometimes it's better to have a minimalistic one. And so here's my eye cream. Apply a little bit. Okay. I'll just come close and check. It looks so weird when I look into the camera like that, but I can't help it. I don't have any mirrors around here, and I need to look into that small camera screen, so. So that's how my nighttime skincare routine looks like. It is minimalistic. My morning skincare routine is a complex skincare routine. It's quite confusing at times, but my morning skincare routine is always huge and it's super cool. But nighttime skincare routines are minimalistic and time-saving. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe because I'm posting daily on YouTube. You do not want to be missing out on some fire content. And turn the notifications bell on so that you know when I post it. Usually I post it around 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Follow me on Instagram. On Instagram I post every single day and my pictures are dope. Self-praise, but you should definitely check it out. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.